we are off to buy some supplies and products to try to build our own sound booth. We're not the DIY type, are we? I've never built anything myself.
I won't even hang a picture on the wall.
No, he won't. And I won't either. It's just not our thing. A lot of things are our thing, but that's not one of them. But you know what? We're going to try it today on a budget and just see what we do, right? See what we come up with. I'm excited. All right. We'll show you. We did it.
Yep.
Yay. Can't believe it. Our first project.
Yep, and it went smooth. No big issues.
No
nothing.
arguments, nothing. It was great. It took us about 40 minutes. So what we did was we bought first the moving blankets that had grommets in them already with little loops, which made it very easy.
Yeah, made it very easy to hang from the PVC pipe.
Mm-hmm.
Without having to use clamps or anything like
Yep.
that.
And we bought PVC pipes, as well as I learned new terms. There's
like different connections so that you can connect.
T-joints.
Yeah.
I learned that term. There's PVC T-joints.
Yes.
I'm very proud of that. It was really fun to learn new things. So we got a whole bunch of joints for that. We met Dave, this guy, wonderful employee, Dave at Home Depot, Atlantic Ave or Atlantic Boulevard in Jacksonville. Amazing employee. Bravo. Dave we told him what we were planning to build, and he was really helpful.
Yeah, we ended up getting less components than we had planned.
Yeah.
And it went together, I think, much easier.
It was great.
Less cutting, less material.
We bought the PVC
cutter.
A PVC cutter instead of having to saw the PVC.
We didn't have to saw anything. There was no mess. Very clean cuts.
It was great. And instead of putting like cross PVC piping or whatever on the top for the ceiling, William came up with the idea of just putting bungee cords.
Yeah, I had extra bungee
ceiling.
cords from my Jeep that I wasn't using, and it works. It looks like it's going to work good.
And then we put, I had little tapestry and little fairy lights and another light that we use for camping. Our whole whopping one time that we camped still. We'll get there. Mm-hmm. This season we'll get there. But we use that too. So it's just going to be nice. We have a little, we also got the foam mat. Yeah,
it's like tile
interlocking
tile flooring that's
made out of foam. So it'll be comfy to stand on.
Well, it's going to be more comfortable to stand on, but also because we have hardwood floor, you don't have to worry about the sound.
It'll absorb the sound there, and we put a little extension cord inside so I can connect my computer to that. So I'm very excited. I'm very thankful to William. I would never have even attempted this. And I'm very grateful for your height because it made it easier. So thank you.
You're welcome.
And it was really fun. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try it yourself sometime if you're looking to do this.
Yeah, and I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to stand up in it. And I mean, I can't stand up straight, but I can stand up enough in it that I was surprised at how tall it was.
Which is nice because William makes videos for his work, so you could use it for a small fee. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll let you know how it goes. Bye.